Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to put music on your Galaxy Watch 6. So for demonstration purposes, we have our Galaxy Watch 6 here, and we have our Galaxy Flip 5. So we're going to take our Galaxy Flip 5, and this is what we're going to use to put music onto our Galaxy Watch 6. So go ahead and open up your Galaxy Flip 5 and go to the Galaxy Wearable app. And so mine is inside of my Samsung folder. So you're going to be looking for this one right here where it says Galaxy Wearable. Once you get that, go ahead and tap on that to open it up. And then scroll down to where you see Watch Settings. Tap on that. Once you have Watch Settings open, slide down to where you see Manage Content, Music and Images. And when you hit that, you will open up to this screen, and at the top of it, you'll see Music and Tracks on Watch. Tap on Tracks on Watch, and it will show you the only song that's on here, and the only song is a stock song from Samsung that's on here. So we're going to show you how to put one song on this watch real quick. Go to the top and hit the plus button. When you hit the plus button, it will show you the music that you have on your phone. So we're going to go to Tracks, and we're going to choose a song to go on to this watch. We're going to go with this one right here. It says Faded Pictures, and then go to the top. It says Add to Watch, and then right here is a little status bar where it's going to show it being uploaded to the watch. And as you can see, it went to 100%. And now it's saying that that song, Faded Pictures, is on the watch. So we're going to set our phone back down here. And we're going to go over to our watch. We're going to turn it on. Then we're going to swipe up. And then we're going to go down to where we see Music. And that little icon in the middle of the music note is our music app. We're going to tap on that, and it's asking us access. We're going to say allow, and as you can see, the first thing popped up is the song Faded Pictures. And just to show you that it is on there, we're going to hit play for a quick second. Okay, so you see that song is in there. Now, one other thing, if you were to swipe up from the bottom there, you can hit Library, and it will show you the playlist and the tracks. And so we're going to hit Tracks. And it says we have 2 tracks. And if we were to swipe up, you see it's the Faded Pictures that we just loaded, and the one that says Over the Horizon. And that is the song that is automatically loaded on there by Samsung. So that's it for our video for today, how to add music to your Galaxy Watch 6. So hopefully we shared something that you used and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.